the heat, scorching niggas with my flame on sight. It's the real one, still some question the tactics. I flip shit daily like it's fucking gymnastics. Some call me brujo, greñudo, ya estuvo, but you know better than to fuck around with Ludo. Rhymes kick quicker than triggers click. You ask why? You play craps with your life, so your ass dies. We smoke you, burn you like ash. We double coke you when you turn to ash. Soft ass busters fall apart and crumble. Talk shit, mumble, can't stay on the humble. But I got the remedy, remember me, nigga. I'm gonna put you through extremities, nigga. A Syrian rhyme killer. You wanna stand off? Don't get too close, I'll burn your hands off.
Uno llegará a quemar lo que quemo yo. Uno llegará a quemar lo que quemo yo. No puede jugar con mi fuego. Ten mucho cuidado, pendejo.
The flame burns eternal, the inferno gets higher degrees, rise from quotes of my journal. For all those concerned, don't hesitate, learn slow. Cause it's hot in hell, we burn slow. Magazines, MCs, the entries are empty. Hollow hearts don't make me spit thoughts and tempt me. You ain't no friend, you're real, but like Superman, yo punk, I'm better than steel.